Hi everyone, and welcome back to The Financial Student. Today we're going to be talking about student loans and how to manage them effectively. As you probably know, student loans can be a major source of stress for many college students and graduates. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can take control of your debt and pay it off in a timely and efficient manner. So, let's get started with some tips for managing your student loans. Tip number 1. Understand your loans and repayment options. Before you can start managing your student loans, you need to understand exactly what you owe and what your options are for repayment. This includes knowing the interest rates on your loans, the repayment terms, and any potential deferment or forgiveness programs that may be available to you. Tip number 2. Make a budget and stick to it. One of the best ways to manage your student loans is to create a budget that includes your loan payments as a fixed expense. This will help you prioritize your spending and ensure that you're making regular payments on your loans. Tip number 3. Consider refinancing or consolidating your loans. If you have multiple student loans with different interest rates and repayment terms, it may be worth looking into refinancing or consolidating your loans into one manageable payment. This can potentially lower your interest rate and simplify your repayment process. Tip number 4. Look for opportunities to reduce your loan balance. There are several ways to reduce your student loan balance, such as applying for loan forgiveness programs, making extra payments towards your principal balance, or taking advantage of employer-sponsored repayment programs. And there you have it, 4 tips for managing your student loans effectively. Remember, the key to success is to stay informed, create a plan, and stick to it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to The Financial Student for more tips on managing your finances as a college student.